morning. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel and gave me comments and gave me thumbs up on my content. I really appreciate that, and thank you for listening to me. If you haven't already, go ahead and pound that subscribe button and that like button, because this information that I'm giving you is priceless, man. And you need to know this so you can understand what is going on in this country. Okay, this video, part 1, how to sue the police, jurisdiction and venue. There'll be about maybe 5 to 7 of these videos on different topics. Before you initiate your lawsuit, there are rules you need to understand. Okay, the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure governs civil proceedings in U.S. district courts. You need to make sure you understand those rules. Federal Rules of Evidence governs the admission and exclusion of evidence in most proceedings of U.S. district courts. You need to make sure you understand those rules. Okay, I'm reading you something from the book that I typed up. It's $10. I strongly advise y'all to buy this book. It's $10, 27 pages. If you do not benefit from this book, I will happily refund you your money. There's a link on where to purchase it in the description section of this video. Okay? 3 law dictionaries that I recommend that you get. Okay? That's Black's Law Dictionary 4th edition, 5th edition, and 8th edition. If you don't know how to find it, go to Google, type in Black's Law Dictionary 8th edition PDF, and it's going to pop right up. The same thing goes for the Federal Rules of Civil Procedure and Evidence and so on and so forth. Okay? So, in this video, when you suing these people, it starts with a complaint. Sometimes it's called a petition, but in the federal courts they call it a complaint. So I'm going to go ahead and give you the legal definition on what a complaint is, because I want you to understand everything that I'm saying and that you are doing. Okay? A complaint is defined as the initial pleading that starts a civil action and states the basis for the court's jurisdiction, the basis for the plaintiff's claims, and the demand for relief. In some states, this pleading is called a petition, and you can find this definition in Black's Law Dictionary 8th edition, page 858. Okay, now let's go on down, and I'm going to explain to you what jurisdiction and venue is. Basically, jurisdiction is the authority of the court to act and decide a case, and venue deals with which court has the authority to decide a case. Okay, but I'm going to give you the legal definitions. Okay, jurisdiction is defined as the authority by which courts and judicial officers take cognizance of and decide cases. The legal right by which judges exercise their authority. Black's Law Dictionary 5th edition, page 766. That's where you can find that definition. Venue is defined as the proper or a possible place for a lawsuit to proceed, because the place has some connection either with the events that gave rise to the lawsuit or with the plaintiff or defendant. The county or other territory over which a trial court has jurisdiction. Black's Law Dictionary 8th edition, page 4827. Okay, so I'm hoping that this helps you understand. Okay, so here is how you would have to word that in your complaint. I'm going to read it to you from the complaint section in my ebook. I'm going to tell you exactly what to say. Okay, you don't have to say this all the time, but you need to make sure you say something that is very close to this. Okay, also, when you sue these people, you have to tell the court which amendment that you are alleging that your public servant has violated. So whether it be the 5th, 4th, 3rd, whatever, you have to allege it in the complaint. Okay? So, let's see. I'm going to start it off like this, because I don't want to confuse y'all. I want to make sure that this is in layman terms and that you understand it. So I'm going to do the best that I can. Okay, but this is how you would word it. Okay, 1. This suit is brought pursuant to 42 United States Code, Section 1983 and 1988, the Fourth Amendment and the 14th Amendments of the U.S. Constitution and the laws of the state of Alabama. 2. Plaintiff invokes the jurisdiction of this court for his federal causes pursuant to 28 United States Code, Section 1331, 1343, A, 3, and 4, and 1367A for his pendant state causes. And I'll tell y'all about pendant state causes in another video, okay? Venue is appropriate pursuant to 28 United States Code, Section 1391, because the events that gave rise to this suit occurred within the judicial boundaries of this court. Boom, that's it. That's all you got to say. And then you move on to the next section, which is called parties. And we'll discuss that in another video. But I'm telling y'all, this is going to get you, if you do this right, this is going to get you placed on that do not detain list, because you're going to cost these people money. When they violate your rights, it costs. Make it be expensive. The Supreme Litigant is out. Peace.